Pine Mountain at a marathon station. We got the Pound Gap Scenic Trail over there. Got it etched in that rock. Can't see it, of course, but up here they got their garbage disposal place electrified. I assume that's to keep the bears out. It might be to keep humans out for all I know. There's some kind of a memorial over there on that hill too. Greg says it's a Civil War memorial. We're just leaving Williamson, West Virginia here. Going past the big coal yard, as you can see. Might not necessarily be a coal yard, but storage of the cars over in there. Many tracks. Of course, going by so quick you couldn't count them, but it's a big area over there. We're going to go out through here just a little piece and then hit Highway 49. We're currently on Highway 52. Both of these roads very good motorcycle roads, very curvy 2-lane roads. This is the first time I've ever rode a motorcycle up in here. We come up in here every year, normally a couple times, four-wheeling on the Hatfield-McCoy trails. We usually go up to Gilbert and stay at the Twin Hollow campground up there. But we have rode other trails, of course, on the trail system. If you're into four-wheelers, come up here and try this place. It's they call it Trails Heaven. It's got a lot of miles of trails. I think there's, last I heard, like 500 to 700 miles worth of trails between all the different trailheads. The audio on this particular segment of the video might be a little low. I'm trying out the new camera, the Insta360. This is the first time I've ever used it, and seems like the audio is a little low on that. If you ever ride this Highway 49 out through here, be careful along the edge of the road. It's breaking off, and it's a very long drop to the bottom. You can sort of see over the edge there. We are still running alongside of the railroad tracks, and you can actually see under the guardrail where the road's breaking off so bad.
State parks, and the Newark Gorge National. Driving deep into coal country, you'll pass through historic coal fields and visit communities with stories of the oil past. You'll visit former coal mines, and you'll travel deep into their experiencing how coal miners.
4 circles.
Narrow winding roads lead you into the heart of the mountains and provide you with breathtaking scenic vistas. If you would like a unique experience, immersing yourself in an important area of American history, we invite you to drive all.
Mustang Alley. This bridge is basically the state boundary between West Virginia and Kentucky. The Tug Fork River runs beneath it, and the boundary is the center of that river from what I can tell looking at a map. My phone is dead at this point, and therefore I have lost my maps. So taking this road to the left, I'm basically just winging it. I sort of remember this road number from when I was setting up this route, so I figured I'd give it a shot. As soon as I saw it was a little one-lane road, I started second-guessing myself. Thankfully, it turns into a two-lane road here shortly. But I just think that's probably not where we're supposed to be. That truck had to stop and wait for traffic to pass. Steve would appreciate this neighborhood. People living right on the edge of the road. This video is no attempt to degrade or put down these folks for living so close to the road. You gotta live somewhere. We're just highlighting the ride. Left side got no guardrail. Tractor. Thing's kind of hard to see over there. It's all covered up with weeds. Boy, I'd hate to be those folks living that close to the road in a curve. The name of this little community is called Stopover, which is exactly what we decided to do. Since it's about 158 degrees, we pulled into a shady spot in front of this church and
Stop over.